Have you ever wondered how professionals blend two videos together flawlessly? Or how they make text appear from behind an object? It is not magic, it is masking and blending. Today, I'm going to show you how to use these powerful tools to create cinematic effects in Filmora 15. First, place your main video on the timeline. Now, drag a second video clip or a text title onto the track above it. We need to tell Filmora 15 how to mix these two layers. Double-click on the top clip to open the settings panel. Let us start with masking. Click on the mask tab on the left side. Select a shape, like circle or linear. You will see that only the area inside the shape is now visible. Drag the blur strength slider to soften the edges, making the cut look natural. Now, let us add some style with blending modes. Switch back to the Basic tab in the video settings. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Blend Mode. By default, this is set to normal. Click the drop-down menu to see your options. Select Screen to make black backgrounds transparent. Select Overlay to mix the colors for a dreamy, double exposure look. Select Darken if you want a moody silhouette effect. Experiment with different modes to find the perfect style for your scene. You have just transformed two simple clips into a complex visual composition. It looks professional and high quality. If you are ready to create amazing effects, please hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe for more Filmora 15 masterclasses.